All right, now we're going to demonstrate the use of IFC for sensory level or motor level pain control using the Intelect machine. So I'm just going to show a few differences. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but just a reminder that we want 4 electrodes, and we need these crossing. So if we have lead 1 here, it needs to be hooked up to this electrode and then the one opposite. So this one, right? And then this is lead 2. Also a reminder that these leads have numbers on them. So I don't know if you can see that, but this has a little 1 right beside my thumb there. And then this one has a 2 written right there. That corresponds to the channel portal. So lead 1 was the black one, and lead 2 was the gray lead. So we'll get those hooked back up and then show you how that's done on the Intelect. Okay, turn on the machine, and I'm just going to show you kind of how to set this up as far as what buttons to push. Again, this is IFC for sensory level pain control that we're going to do first. So I know this doesn't come in great, but this button up here, it says electrotherapy, so we're going to push that. And then we're using interferential, so same button. And then down here we can press edit to edit our parameters. For this particular modality, we're going to put the sweep on off, so our value stays the same, and we want a constant current, so go ahead and switch that to CC. The carrier frequency will remain at 4,000, and the vector scan, just for simplicity, we're going to keep it off. So the number that we want to make sure is right here is our beat frequency, and for sensory level pain control, we need that to be between 80 and 200 pulses per second, which a pulse per second is a hertz, and right now it's set at 100 pulses per second, so that should be fine. So it looks like we're all ready as far as treatment, so we go ahead and start this by turning the intensity up, and then we can push start, and from there we can turn the wheel down here to increase the intensity until our patient says that's as strong as she wants to feel that, or we get a muscle twitch and we'll back it off a little bit from that. So the only difference if we're doing motor level pain control, we'll pause that and go back and edit this, would be our beat frequency is what we're interested in. So our beat frequency for motor level pain control needs to be between 1 and 5 hertz, and right now it's set at 100, so we're going to bring it way down so that it's between that value. So we get about 3 hertz there, and we'll bring it back to our screen. Everything else is established as we want it to, and then we increase the intensity with the dial. Again, our intensity at this point, push start, and increase the intensity. The intensity needs to be at a motor twitch, so that's what we're looking for, is a twitch of the muscles of the low back. And once we've established that, then we have motor level pain control. So that is sensory and motor level pain control using interferential on the Intelect.